It's finally here, my Phomemo TO2 inkless mini printer. This little printer is so much fun and the perfect little sticker maker to embellish everything from notebooks and date journals to correspondence and art journals. One of the things that I love about the prints it makes is that they're thermal, no ink, which means they don't smudge. I'm unpacking some clear sticker paper here, along with some different colors to experiment with. I can't wait. The first thing I'm going to do is charge the printer and wait for the flashing green light to turn solid. Next, I'm downloading the app on my phone, so easy, and then connecting the printer to my phone. Once it's connected, I can start printing. Phomemo has tons of images you can choose from, so let's start out with one of theirs. This little penguin is super cute, and you can write a little message in the body. Once I'm ready to print, press the little printer icon on the top and then the print button on the bottom and wait for the magic. This is so great. To change the paper, press the button on the unit, remove the paper roll and pull apart the roll holder. Add the roll holders to the new paper. You can't get this wrong, they snap together. Pull out a tiny bit of paper, place it back in the printer and snap closed. So easy. Now, because I'm using these for my art journals, I'm going to print out some graphics that are in my phone. The first is a vintage postcard. Here I'm printing on the clear sticker film. It comes in 3 colors, blue, green, and red. Let's start with the blue first. I think the technology behind this portable printer is amazing, and these clear stickers are going to look great in my art journal. Finally, some more of my favorite images. Phomemo gives you lots of options to edit and crop as well. I love the way it prints photos too. Now that I have my sticker stash together, let's start embellishing my art journal with my favorite images. This is a wonderful way to add a little fun to a letter or a birthday card. Not sure about you, but I am obsessed with this little printer. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm also going to leave a link with a little discount for you if you love it as much as I do. I think you will. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want projects I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. I'll leave a link below for that as well. And if you want inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like The Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I'll see you real soon.